Hi, I'm Nidhi Nahata, founder of India's first whole food plant-based resto cafe, Just Be, at Sadarship Nagar, Bangalore, health coach and a therapist. I am always in awe with Mother Nature for the gift she has given us. The hidden secrets in our kitchen, in our masala dabba. So today we're going to make a immunity boosting powder from these spices. Just 5 ingredients, and the properties, I was amazed the properties it had and the way it has helped me in my own body. And many of my customers and clients, when we suggest that to them, they find a lot of difference. So the first ingredient is the cumin. Cumin is jeera, which you're going to take 1 cup, which helps in body pain, inflammation. If you have migraine, in summers it cools the body. The second ingredient is sesame. Sesame, 1 cup. Sesame is still. It has all the properties like protein, magnesium, copper, iron, fibers, vitamin E, B1 and B6. It fights so many ailments and diseases. The third one is fenugreek, and which is called dana methi. We're going to take that 1/2 cup. It improves the muscle in our body. It strengthens the muscle. Weightlifters, any of you there? It's going to be like a power boost for you. Balances the hormones. Also, it's an anti-cancer properties. Flaxseed. Flaxseed has omega-3. It fights a lot of ailments and diseases. The last one is 2 tablespoons of black salt, which is called the sendha namak. We are going to be using that, which actually helps you when you're feeling very bloated, gassy. It's the best. What we're going to do is, except for the black salt, we're going to powder all the other ingredients. At the end, 2 tablespoons, we'll add the black salt, and we make a powder like this. Just remember that the properties increase. It's the best supplement when it's powdered. That's the reason we need to powder and have it, so that it actually works into our body. It touches each and every part in our body to heal. Also, what you can do is have it after lunch, 1 tablespoon every day. Enjoy the